Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. As always, I cover HVAC, project management and motivational subjects in my channel. I request you subscribe my channel and spread it amongst your contacts, colleagues and the friends. Today's topic is all about project management dashboard. How the project management dashboard should look like. If you are an owner, if you are a project manager, if you are handling multiple projects, how do I look at my project? And there are multiple types of dashboards. I picked up one which I feel is very good with respect to managing the project. So project management dashboard is nothing but you get a flow of information which gives how is your project running with respect to progress, with respect to safety, with respect to the contractual clauses, with respect to the cost, with respect to the billing, with respect to claims. It covers whole gamut of project. So this is one of the project management dashboard which I wanted to show it to you. I am sure it will help you. You can do your own customization, but at least this can give you a little bit of inputs. Let us look at the dashboard. The dashboard will have project name and month, and then we have this dashboard. So if you look at on the left hand side here, it gives the project details, which gives you contractual start date, completion date. These dates are just filled for giving you an example. These are not the real dates. It's a sample dashboard. So don't look at the figures, look at the content which you want from the dashboard. Then what is the estimated completion date? Is there any delay? If you're a contractor, do you have any LD, liquidated damages? For that, have you raised extension of time? Have you received extension of time? If yes, up to what date you have received is on the first box, left hand side top. The second box is all about safety, which talks about observations. How many are total? How many close? How many are still open? Which gives you near miss, gives you LTI, and obviously should not happen, but fatality on projects. And you get a very important figure called cumulative safe man hours. This cumulative safe man hours gives you an idea about how safe the project is being handled. All these figures inside will also give you the kind of safety culture which is being implemented on your project. The details of observation, LTI, near misses will give you that confidence that your project is in safe hands. Then you have project financial, which talks about turnover, which talks about the gross margin. It will give you the original turnover and the gross margin, what is current, because obviously the turnover will change based on the scope addition or scope deletion or new claims, whatever it is. Then we have on the right hand side top is EPC review. So which you got engineering, what was planned and what is now, right? Then you have procurement with respect to the ordering, and the procurement second part is with respect to the delivery. Both are tracked here. Then obviously the construction or the execution, and which gives you the overall completion, what was planned and where we are. This is done in a bar chart, so it gives a visual view where you are. So that's talk about progress. So we talk about project details, safety, financials and progress. Then two important indexes, the schedule performance index and the cost performance index, which will tell you, are you on schedule? Are you within budget? These two figures are very important. If you get one, you are on schedule and within the budget. If it is more than one, you are ahead of schedule and you are saving on the budget. If you less than one, you are behind the schedule and there is a cost overrun on the project. These two important aspect indexes will give you the necessary input to take action, right? Then it gives you cost summary. You can divide multiple heads, but it is divided over here: material, labor, overheads, and project management costs. So again, it talks about overall budget, cost incurred so far, and what is the cost at completion. So this is what is the cost summary. Then you get WIP, the work in progress, where the work is already happened, the cost is being booked, that, and then what is the invoicing done against that cost. Again, this is very, very important figure. If it is more than 1, if WIP is more and IWIP is less, then you have an issue. If IWIP is more and WIP is less, you are in good condition. It has to be 1 at least to see that you are on right track. Then you have outstanding the payment, what is the invoicing done, what is the overall collection, what is balance, and then we have another box which is on the right hand side below, which is talking about the turnover, as of now turnover, the invoicing, right? The outstanding, is there any unbilled revenue? Is there a bank guarantee exposure? Is customer retaining any money? Don't look at those figures. What is the next net exposure? Have you raised any claims? How many approved? Is LD applicable? What is the cost committed? Committed means I have given the PO, but material has not come, right? So what is the vendor outstanding? So this is very, very important aspect which gives you the overall, aspect of the project. So this is one of the dashboard which I thought will be useful. You can customize it, you can delete it, but mostly I believe it is required for a project manager or for an organization owner or person who handles multiple jobs to have this in front of him so that he is updated. So this is what I wanted to cover. If you want more on the subject of project management, please download this app, Class Plus app, where there are many project management related, risk management related, HVAC related courses at very, very affordable prices. The link is in description box. Just click, download the app and start learning. This is a very, very good platform to learn. Thank you very much for your patient listening. The best way to predict future is to create it. Follow me on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, ajazkazi.com. Thank you so much.